Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are outside of Walmart today and Walmart is so incredibly slow. Oh my goodness. That's all I gotta say. We are gonna grab some freebies at least, but Walmart, with Ibotta and Walmart today, yikes. If you skip a week, this might be the week to skip. Like I said, there are a couple freebies. I mean, even if they're free, they might not be for you. Not every freebie is for everyone. I don't grab some freebies sometimes because I know I'm just not going to use it or not going to eat it or whatever have it. But just in case, there is a very short printable breakdown in case you want to check it out and take it with you to the store. There's a subscribe button if you're not currently subscribed. I'd love to have you as part of the channel. But without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. We have a little bundle deal. So the first product you're going to grab is one of the soft scrub cleansers. I think these are newer. Don't quote me. I don't think I've ever seen these, but I'm assuming it's like the old soft scrub. But they have the with bleach one or the lemon. Either one of those work, and they're $3.27. So grab your favorite one. Then you're going to come grab one of these 4-count of the soft scrub toilet dual cubes. They're $3.77. All right, so grabbing both of these, your total will be $7.04. We have $1 for the cleanser and $1.50 on Ibotta for the cubes. Plus, when buying both of them, we have a 75-cent bonus. We're going to take a receipt, submit it to Be Frugal for $4.41, making these a 62-cent moneymaker. Great deal on palm olive dish soap. This one is $2.68 for this 20 fluid ounces. You'll submit to Ibotta for 75 cents. And then on Swag Bucks or one of the other sister apps, you'll submit for 75 Swag Bucks or 75 cents, making this $1.18. So this deal did reset, and it is really good savings. So you can grab the Bristol Ultra Packs. They are $5.44. You'll submit to Ibotta for $2, making it $3.44. Or you can grab the liquid. This is the 34 fluid ounces. They are also $5.44. Submit to Ibotta for $2.50, making it $2.94. Now, if you have those $2 hang tags, peelies, whatever you want to call them, you can definitely use them and saving a little extra money. You guys, I'm so lucky. Look at this. This is the last one. So you're going to look for these Tide to Go with Oxy there, $8.97. It is the 3-count. You're going to take one of these. You're going to submit your receipt to Fetch, where we have 1,000 Fetch points per dollar spent. So you'll get roughly $8.97 back from Fetch, making this completely free. Shout out to Roberta, who sent me this deal and reminded me about Fetch, because I've had such a rough week. Like, I literally haven't been looking at coupons, checking rebate apps, like nothing. We have a really good deal on these, even though the Swag Buck offer dropped. But these Suavitel fabric softeners that I've been talking about probably for weeks, they are $4.47. You're going to grab 2 of them. Your total will be $8.94. You'll submit to Ibotta for $3 back on each one. You'll submit to Swag Bucks or one of the sister apps for 200 Swag Bucks. This is a limited one. Then we have the spend offer on Fetch, which I would hit, grabbing 2 of these, $1.06 moneymaker. So I have a little G word on my Ibotta account. So it's on the Hostess products. There's actually 2 of them. This will be the first one. You're gonna grab whatever 2 packages of Hostess you like. I'm gonna grab these donuts because they're strawberry. So I'm gonna be grabbing 2 of these for $5.36. Now I have 2 of the same offers on Ibotta. So it's $1 back when buying 2. So we'll get a total of $2, making these just $3.36 for both, which not the best deal, but definitely not the worst deal. We have a really good deal on these sands, though. I think I'm saying that right. These sparkling waters. I've never heard of it, to be quite honest. You can grab, I think any 4 of these flavors work for this deal, but they're $6.97. We have an offer on Social Nature, making one of these completely free. Grab one of these Daya Taco Mac and Cheese mixes. They're $2.97. We have an offer on Social Nature. Then on Ibotta, we have $1 back, making it $1 moneymaker. The next deal is definitely a repeat. It's on the Harkin bar. I actually really like these. They are $2.97. We have a free offer on Ibotta, so we'll get $2.97 back, obviously making it free. I'm going to grab 1 for Ibotta and 1 for Walmart Cash, so it'll be super nice. The last deal I'm going to do is on the Hostess Honey Buns Jumbo. They're $1.74. I'm going to grab 2 of them for $3.48. I have 2 offers attaching on Ibotta for this, so this is the other double dip. So it'll be just $2.38 for both. Now, is this the best deal for this? Absolutely not, but I actually really like these, so it is worth it to me because I don't want to pay full price. Alright guys, this is everything I'm grabbing today. Let's go check out. Alright, we're back in from checkout, and I did 2 separate transactions because I was grabbing one set of items for Be Frugal and one set of items for Swag Bucks. Since they're the sister apps, you can't submit the same receipt to both. But so the first receipt, I grabbed the soft soap items and then the Tide. So my subtotal that I swiped my card for was $16 and 1 whole penny. Then I grabbed the rest of the items in the cart, and this was $30.69. So grabbing both receipts was $46.70. I did not use any paper coupons today. I submitted to Fetch for the second receipt for $8.97, which was the Tide to Go pen, and the other receipt for 2,000 Fetch points, which is $2. On Be Frugal, I submitted my receipt for $4.41. That was for the soft scrub items. Then on Ibotta, I submitted the soft scrub receipt for $2.50. I will be getting that bonus back for buying 2 items, which is 75 cents. Then I submitted my second receipt to Ibotta for $13.07, and it looks like both double deals did go through so far as I know. I submitted to Swag Bucks for $2. And then I submitted to Social Nature. I should be getting back $9.94, making my whole haul $3.06. So basically, I'm paying for the donuts I grabbed. Some of them. Not all of them, some of them. But anyway, guys, thank you so very much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.